Hello, Chef here. Real quick recipe for you. This is a giant portobello mushroom cap. I'm going to give you a quick appetizer. I'm going to do it two ways. So the first thing you want to do is take your mushroom cap like this, and you want to slightly saute it. I'll show you that. I've got some fresh bacon, plum tomato, garlic. You gotta have garlic, as well as a little bit of fresh basil. Okay, so here we go. Hot pan, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Garlic. Yeah, love the garlic. Okay, plum tomato. Some quick slices like this. Okay, mushroom cap comes out. Garlic goes in. Fresh basil. Mushrooms go in a baking pan like this. And I'm going to divide the toppings amongst each of them. I'm going to be adding a piece of grilled chicken. Topping this with panko breadcrumbs. As well as extra virgin olive oil. The finished appetizer looking really good. This one's got the chicken on there, it's kind of crispy. This one's got the panko, tomato, garlic, basil. Oh yeah. Okay, to serve this, I'm going to cut it into quarters. And I'm going to add just a touch of parsley, as well as 4 little toothpicks here. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day.